want to share with you an exercise that both Dr. Jeremy, myself, and all of our mentors utilize and practice on a regular basis that I learned, along with you, from one of our great mentors, the energy meter.
Absolutely. And if you're not a 90 or up, there's a problem.
That's right, man. Somebody says if you're, you rate it on a scale of 1 to 100.
Yep.
And if you're like below a 70, get the defibrillators out, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to attract people of the energy that you're at. And so we like to stay at a 90 above. Man, I like to push it over 100. Some days, it's like you're having those days you're lingering in those high 70s and you really need to kick it up a notch. We call it an energy boost.
Absolutely. And that's what the prednisone is looking for. They're looking for that energy boost. They want you to be the person who they come into. You're the healer. You're the one that's bringing the presence in, and keeping that energy up is going to make that happen. It's going to make the flow happen. And that's when people say, man, this place is amazing.
Yes,
I'm bringing people with me.
That's right. That's right. And so here's the deal. If you're low and they ask you, they say, are you okay today? You know there's a problem. You used to say to me, man, if somebody asks you that twice in a day, check yourself, because you're the one that's bringing the energy down to practice. You need to keep that thing above a 90, build your endurance, walk in it, and you'll see the fruit of it.